This is Incredible Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 11 individual stamps. This stamp set features 3 delicate outline floral images that are perfect for watercolor techniques. These images really shine with some layered coloring or mesmerizing watercolor washes. This set also includes 6 beautiful sentiments in classic fonts that will perfectly complement your projects. This incredible stamp set is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the incredible stamp set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.